Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX and Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Facebook app on phone. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Here I'm gonna open it. And now you will see an interface like this. And now click on this profile icon. And here scroll down a bit and click on this gear icon. So if you click on it, then you will see an option with the global icon. So click on this global world icon and from here choose the language whatever you like. For example, I'm choosing this language and then the language of Facebook app is going to be changed into it. And that's it. Here you can see that the language of the Facebook app has been changed. So now if you want to change it again, select the profile and click on this gear icon, scroll down and choose this global icon and choose the language to change it again. So thanks for watching. Now you know how to change language on Facebook on phone. Allah Hafiz.